Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by verifying your host supports external PCIe via Thunderbolt 3/4 or an adapter. This matters because bandwidth and authorization affect performance. Once done, open the eGPU enclosure and mount the graphics card, seating it firmly in the PCIe slot and connecting the power cables to the GPU. Make sure to select an enclosure that delivers the GPU's TDP and that your card fits physically. Finally, install or update the host's OS patches and download the GPU driver package so you're ready to finish setup after the first boot. Now connect power and data. Double-check power connectors and PSU capacity, close the enclosure, and plug the Thunderbolt or adapter cable into your host. Once connected, accept any host prompts to authorize the device and enable Thunderbolt peripherals in BIOS or system settings. This grants PCIe access. Install the vendor GPU driver and related control software, then reboot. After boot, confirm the OS recognizes the external GPU in Device Manager or System Profiler. And make sure hot plugging settings are correct, so the card initializes. Finish by assigning the external GPU as primary for demanding apps or directing rendering to it in application settings. Run a short benchmark to verify performance and stability. Monitor temperatures and power, draw for the first hour to confirm cooling and PSU adequacy, and update enclosure or GPU firmware if anomalies appear. If the eGPU doesn't show, power cycle everything, try a different Thunderbolt port or certified cable, and reinstall drivers in safe mode. This single troubleshooting step solves common authorization or driver conflict issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.